So today we're gonna be figuring out what does it take to break a Blue Alpha belt. We have a couple different things we're gonna be doing. I don't know if this is gonna be one video or two videos, just gonna kind of see how it plays out. But the first one we're gonna be doing is we're going to take this log, and it weighs 530 pounds, according to our crane scale. If you can't see that, I'm sure we'll try to get a close-up later on. But it's well over 500 pounds, crane scale saying 530. And what we're gonna do is put a belt up in a tree. We're gonna tie a rope to the D-ring and a rope to the tree. And we're going to just drop it to try to simulate a 530 pound, just dead drop, just snatch weight. And that's what we're looking for here. So just wanted to show you what the tree weighs so you could see it. And we'll see you guys here in just a few. All right, guys, so just give you a little setup here of what we're doing. So we got a belt way up in the tree tied with a shackle. The blue rope is a 6,500 pound rope. What we're gonna be doing is attaching the log. We have two straps to a shackle, and we're gonna tie that as high as we can. So that way when the tractor driver, whatever he's doing right now, decides to drop that log will fall, but should not hit the ground, or at least that's what we're planning. We're just trying to simulate what a 530 pound just dead drop does to the belt. And there's a tractor. As you can see, our belt survived the drop test. This was, just to reiterate, this was a 530 pound log that was dropped from a free fall, so you get that initial just whack of energy. It's not a slow static pull, which we do have another test of, and you guys will see that here shortly. But they're just two very different ratings. So, when you're looking at different belts, just take everything for a grain of salt. If it's, it says it's a, 3,500 pound static load pull, it's like, that's not how you would fall, which is kind of what we're trying to simulate here. But this is also just a backyard science test. So, take that for what it's worth. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is our webbing D-ring MOLLE belt here. This one is an extra one that got sent back. This was a size 52. And if you didn't know, anything above a 48, we don't charge extra in our webbing based belts. So there we go. So this one was the wrong size. It got sent back. And so we're just gonna break it now today to see how strong is a Blue Alpha belt. So as you can see, we have a whole little snatch block setup going on here. We have our tractor to my right. If my math is right, which it's probably wrong, this should be about 4 times strength here, and maybe 4.5, because this one's turned 45, I don't know. Someone can correct me in the comments. We have a camera over here to my left that is looking at this crane scale. It is currently at 95 pounds, just so we can kind of get some tension on it, and because we're not gonna have anybody around when we're pulling this. Minus the tractor driver, just in case, or when it does decide to break, that way, we're all kind of safe. So hopefully you guys can get a really good shot over here and see the weight when it breaks. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We just wanted to see what does it take to break one of our belts. And so we're doing that today. All right. We got eye protection on, got that camera running. Kurt's coming up. Brent is in the tractor, and we're gonna give him the start signal, and it's gonna go. So
don't try this at home.
Yeah, that too. That was the start signal if you guys didn't get that. So I'm gonna hide behind the barn and we're gonna see what happens. I really hope that camera catches the weight. So, I just wanna see what it does. And hopefully the camera catches it. It doesn't break that camera. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really read the instructions. I turned it on and it gave me a weight, so. There we go.
Hey, that was more catastrophic than I expected.
Hey guys, so a day later, we needed to check the footage to ensure we can give you an accurate number on the scale. So we are confident that the belt broke at over 5,300 pounds. We think it's a little more, but 5,300 is a safe bet, which is actually a little more than what we expected it to. In the very beginning of Blue Alpha, we had actually done a similar test to this before, and what's interesting is that the first time that we did this test all those years ago, the stitching running down the belt is what gave way, which is an interesting note because we've changed our manufacturing over time, and we're using different stitch patterns and slightly different threads, so it's very interesting that that's not what gave this time. It's actually when the single layer webbing went through the bar, right here is where the belt gave way. So 5,300 pounds, that's just really impressive. If you guys want more information on the belts, if you guys have any comments, drop them down below, bluealphabelts.com. Go check out the MOLLE webbing belt.